transform your social media with Pika Labs and create UGC ads that stop the scroll and start the sales. In today's competitive digital landscape, user-generated content, or UGC, is king for building trust and authenticity. But what if you could amplify that authenticity with stunning, professional visuals? That's where Pika Labs comes in. First, let's understand the core of a winning UGC at authenticity. Pika Labs, an AI-powered video generation tool, allows you to easily create professional content without needing extensive filming equipment or complex editing software. Will focus on generating short, impactful clips that feel genuine. Step 1 is crafting your prompt. Be specific about the product you want to showcase and the UGC style you're aiming for. Think about the emotion or action you want to convey. For example, a prompt like a happy customer unboxing a new skincare product, showing glowing skin, will guide the AI to create a relevant and engaging visual. Next, focus on the visual elements. Within Pika Labs, you can influence the camera movement, lighting, and overall mood. Aim for natural lighting and shots that mimic real user videos. Think close-ups on the product's benefits or candid reactions. Step 3 is refining your generated clips. Pika Labs offers options to adjust the duration, frame rate, and even add subtle effects. Keep it short and sweet, typically under 15 seconds. To maintain viewer attention, the goal is to feel like a real testimonial, not a polished commercial. Finally, consider adding a subtle call to action. This could be text overlaying the video or a brief spoken tagline. Pika Labs empowers you to create these visually compelling ads that resonate with your audience, driving both engagement and conversions. It's about leveraging AI to amplify your authentic story.